Okay guys, welcome to another episode of our Blokees build. And for today, as you can see, this is one of the last boxes that we purchased from our someone we know. And for this part, we are going to build Thundercracker. So let's go ahead and start building. Let's go. Okay, so let's open the box and let's get ready to build Thundercracker. Set this aside. So for this build, this is Thundercracker, one of the brothers of Starscream. So later on we will start building, and this is one of the last four boxes that we have, and then we will open the after we got the four boxes that is left. We will start building a different series. So let's go ahead and let's start building. Let's go. Okay, so we have here Thundercracker. He is one of the allies of Starscream and a brother to them, and also a member of the Seekers. So Thundercracker and Skywarp, they are the ones that always comes along with Starscream whenever he has a mission. So three of them, because they are transforming into jet. It's easier for them to roam around and check the surroundings and escape if there would be any trouble fighting with the Autobots. So on the movie, when Starscream doesn't have any use for Thundercracker and Skywarp, they were discarded along with Megatron when Megatron was severely damaged. And Insecticon came along with them to follow them because of their loyalty with Megatron. So what happened was Skywarp was transformed into Cyclonus, and Thundercracker was transformed into Scourge. So he was transformed into Scourge by Unicron, because Unicron gave them new life for to serve his purpose. So Megatron gave them new life to use, to be of use to him. So Thundercracker was transformed into Scourge, Skywarp is into Cyclonus, and hoping that I can get the Cyclonus and Galvatron in the near future, so that we can add it on our display. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoy our video, and if you do, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you would be updated to our latest episode. So see you guys next time. Peace.